CruiseUp Future Vision. This revolutionary air car concept, developed by Cyclotech, is the first of its kind to feature cyclorotors. The CruiseUp's 360 degrees thrust vectoring capability is housed in a compact, passenger-oriented design. The CruiseUp is projected to make its debut around 2035. By this time, the eVTOL landscape, populated by air taxis and shuttles, will likely have matured, with clearer regulatory pathways and possibly advancements in energy storage technology. Based on 15 years of cyclorotor technology development, wind tunnel testing, and experience from more than 500 flights of its technology demonstrator, the CruiseUp concept is designed to meet individual air mobility needs expected to emerge next decade. BYD and DJI. Chinese automaker BYD has partnered with Shenzhen-based company DJI, a leader in the drone industry, to add a docked drone option to BYD's Yangwang U8 eSUV. This partnership was revealed during BYD's Dream Day 2024 event. The docked drone option is mounted atop a U8 SUV produced by BYD's luxury sub-brand Yangwang. The drone appears to be a modified Mavic 3 Pro drone and comes with a roof-mounted dock. The dock contains 3 replacement batteries and a loading apparatus for swapping those needing recharging. The drone can take off and land with one click, providing aerial views to enhance the travel experience. This collaboration between BYD and DJI represents a significant step forward in the integration of drone technology with automotive applications. The GAC City Cars. These innovative concept vehicles were unveiled by GAC Group at the 2024 Milan Design Week. The series includes 3 models: CityBox, CityPod, and CityRun, each designed with unique features tailored for urban driving, delivery, and road speeding. The CityBox is a compact car designed for the delivery industry, featuring an adaptive trunk that adjusts to the size of the packages. The CityPod is a commuter electric vehicle inspired by the iconic 1950s Isetta, designed with a panoramic glass shell for 360-degree vision. The CityRun is a compact, trend-setting coupe designed for fast-paced urban environments. All 3 models are equipped with a modular electric powertrain, allowing for swift powertrain replacements and minimizing maintenance downtime. The DJI Agras T50. This flagship drone, developed by DJI, a leader in the drone industry, is designed for efficiency and stability in large-scale farming. The Agras T50 inherits a powerful coaxial dual-rotor design and 54-inch propellers for next-level stability when carrying 40 kilograms spraying or 50 kilograms spreading payloads. This enables efficient spraying of up to 50 acres per hour. The Agras T50 leverages a dual atomizing spraying system, front and rear phased array radars, and a binocular vision system. It excels across multiple scenarios, from surveying to spraying and spreading, guaranteeing stable operations and steady performance. The Agras T50 is a significant step forward in the field of agricultural drones, showcasing how drone technology can revolutionize large-scale farming. The Brelyon Ultra Reality. This revolutionary display technology developed by Brelyon is the first desktop monitor to offer a massive panorama with monocular depth, which translates to prolonged eye comfort and gives a sense of immersion that emulates headsets. It enables an awe-inspiring, panoramic experience that fills 110 degrees of your field of view, perfect for immersive entertainment applications like gaming and movies. The Brelyon Ultra Reality display doesn't require any special software or content, and is compatible with FreeSync, G-Sync, as well as existing simulation training software, PC games, and desktop applications. Offering 122-inch of amplified 700+ nits brightness in native HDR 144 Hz and 4K base resolution, it's already being used for industrial applications such as teleoperation, control centers, and trading floors. It's also geared toward gaming, and prototype systems in the wild are currently being used for simulation training, such as flight simulators, as well as for simulation racing, arcade gaming, and esports. Brelyon's patented ultra-reality technology uses computational wavefront engineering to create a massive field of view, FOV, with true optical depth, generating an immersive panoramic virtual screen that engulfs the viewer without the need for a headset. The XR4 mixed reality headsets developed by Varjo. These high-resolution headsets are designed for professionals and are used in various fields such as enterprise VR, XR, and spatial computing. The XR4 series includes the XR4, XR4 Focal Edition, and XR4 Secure Edition. These headsets merge high-resolution displays, advanced LiDAR depth sensing, and camera sensors to mimic human eye functions. They also feature eye tracking that enables automatic IPD adjustment and dynamic foveated rendering. The XR4 series headsets now boast dual, ultra-low latency, 20-megapixel front-mounted cameras to build the industry's best mixed reality experience. The XR4 Focal Edition enhances the pass-through experience with incredible autofocus cameras. The Varjo XR4 Secure Edition introduces TAA compliance and non-RF configurations. Finnish startup Varjo has unveiled this new XR headset range that promises mixed reality that's indistinguishable from natural sight. MaxSpace Expandable Habitats. These innovative space habitats, developed by MaxSpace, are designed to dramatically increase volume in Earth orbit, cislunar, and on the Moon and Mars for habitation, research, manufacturing, farms, tourism, sports, and entertainment. The series includes scalable habitat designs ranging from 20 cubic meters to an impressive 1,000 cubic meters. The goal is to have a family of scalable habitats in space, ranging from 20 cubic meters to 100 cubic meters to 1,000 cubic meters by 2030. The MaxSpace expandable architecture offers remarkable scalability, with the potential to scale up to 10,000 plus M superscript 3 or megastructures which can be singularly launched using Starship and New Glenn once they're online. The first MaxSpace habitat is manifested to fly with SpaceX in 2026. 3 Space Fidelity ground test units have been built that are currently starting flight qualification testing. MaxSpace's proprietary expandable technology can be scaled upwards in size indefinitely while maintaining structural predictability. The Dream Chaser Spaceplane, an American reusable lifting body spaceplane developed by Sierra Space. This incredible vehicle was originally intended to carry up to 7 people and cargo to and from low Earth orbit. But what's really exciting is its role in NASA's Commercial Resupply Services 2 contract. Under this contract, the Dream Chaser has been selected to provide cargo delivery, return, and disposal services for the International Space Station. It's designed to launch vertically on the Vulcan Centaur rocket and autonomously land horizontally on conventional runways. The first Dream Chaser spaceplane, named Tenacity, has reached Florida's Space Coast for final testing and processing ahead of its first-ever cargo flight to the ISS. Paired with the cargo module Shooting Star, Tenacity will furnish supplies to the ISS in the near future. Its first flight, expected in late 2024, will lift off atop United Launch Alliance's new Vulcan Centaur rocket from Cape Canaveral Space Force Station. The space plane and module combined will send 7,800 pounds of cargo to the orbiting lab. Sierra Space is currently contracted under CRS-2 to perform resupply missions to the ISS over the next few years. Digital twin technology. This process uses data streams to create a digital representation of a real-world asset, improving collaboration, information access, and decision-making. A digital twin is a virtual representation of a physical object, person, or process, contextualized in a digital version of its environment. It spans the object's life cycle, is updated from real-time data, and uses simulation, machine learning, and reasoning to help make decisions. The studied object is outfitted with various sensors related to vital areas of functionality. These sensors produce data about different aspects of the physical object's performance, such as energy output, temperature, weather conditions, and more. The processing system receives this information and actively applies it to the digital copy. After being provided with the relevant data, The digital model can be utilized to conduct various simulations, analyze performance problems, and create potential enhancements. Digital twins can help an organization simulate real situations and their outcomes, ultimately allowing it to make better decisions. They are the result of continual improvement in product design and engineering. Telecommunications Systems. These systems are a collection of individual telecommunications networks, systems, relay stations, tributary stations, and terminal equipment usually capable of interconnection and interoperation to form an integrated whole. These systems allow for data transfer and exchange among multiple users. Telecommunications, often used in its plural form, is the transmission of information with an immediacy comparable to face-to-face communication. Many transmission media have been used for telecommunications throughout history, from smoke signals, beacons, semaphore telegraphs, signal flags, and optical heliographs to wires and empty space made to carry electromagnetic signals. These paths of transmission may be divided into communication channels for multiplexing, allowing for a single medium to transmit several concurrent communication sessions. Long-distance technologies invented during the 20th and 21st centuries generally use electric power and include the telegraph, telephone, television, and radio. Since the 1960s, the proliferation of digital technologies has meant that voice communications have gradually been supplemented by data. The physical limitations of metallic media prompted the development of optical fiber. The Internet, a technology independent of any given medium, has provided global access to services for individual users and further reduced location and time limitations on communications. The Xtend XOS 2024, an AI-driven operating system developed by Xtend. This operating system is revolutionizing the way humans interact with drones and robots. The XOS uses AI to enable robots to learn from data and experience, training them to identify objects, navigate complex environments, and interact with humans safely. The XOS operating system is based on practical human-supervised autonomy, which empowers drones and robots to handle specific tasks autonomously, while allowing the common-sense decisions to remain in the hands of human supervisors. This human-machine teaming allows robots to work alongside supervisors, who can manage dozens of robots simultaneously, and learn from that experience. The XOS operating system is being used in a joint project with MAFIT and the Israeli Ministry of Directorate of Defense Research and Development. This project will enable the remote, safe, and intuitive operation of dozens of human-guided semi-autonomous drones simultaneously, utilizing the latest virtual reality, edge processing, and AI technology. Xtend has secured $40 million in funding to further develop the XOS operating system and its application in various time-consuming, dangerous enterprise and security scenarios worldwide. Nanobots. This emerging technology field creates machines or robots whose components are at or near the scale of a nanometer. These nanobots are built to operate at the nanoscale, performing tasks that are beyond the capabilities of conventional macroscale robots. Nanobots are designed with devices ranging in size from 0.1 to 10 micrometers and are constructed of nanoscale or molecular components. They can have various shapes, such as rod, sphere, helical, hollow, or other complex structures. Nanorobotics combines the principles of robotics, nanotechnology, and material science. The use of nanorobots could lead to significant advancements in fields like medicine, manufacturing, energy production, and environmental cleanup. For example, in healthcare, nanorobots could be used for targeted drug delivery, which can reduce the amount of medication a patient needs and minimize side effects. Much of what we know about nanorobotics is theoretical at this point. However, some primitive molecular machines and nanomotors have been tested. It's clear the field of nanorobotics has the potential to bring significant, positive changes and benefit society in numerous ways. Magway, Co-founded by Rupert Cruz and Phil Davies, Magway is changing the game when it comes to transporting goods. They use magnetic motors to propel vehicles of goods down pipelines, moving them from distribution hubs to consolidation centers. This system is designed for sustainable and efficient transport across various industries. It uses linear motors and a network of underground or overground pipelines to move goods swiftly and efficiently. By integrating automation and zero-emission technology, Magway is transforming the way goods are transported, offering a greener alternative to traditional methods. From large-scale distribution centers to urban delivery hubs, their system streamlines logistics operations, reduces congestion, and minimizes environmental impact. They offer an all-electric, battery-free system, delivering zero emissions and minimal energy consumption. Aligned with 8 UN Sustainable Development Goals, Magway's technology is aimed at mitigating climate change by reducing greenhouse gas emissions and carbon footprints. With this innovative approach, Magway is certainly shaping the future of transportation. The Festo BionicBee. This ultralight flying robot, developed by Festo as part of their bionic learning network, takes inspiration from the natural design of bees. Weighing around 34 grams, with a length of 220 millimeters and a wingspan of 240 millimeters. The BionicBee is equipped with a brushless motor and 3 servo motors that drive the wing beating mechanism. It flies with a wing beat frequency of 15 to 20 hertz, with the wings beating forwards and backwards at a 180-degree angle. The BionicBee can perform natural flight maneuvers with 4 degrees of freedom, allowing it to fly forward, sideways, or rotate about its vertical axis. One of the most impressive features of the BionicBee is its ability to fly autonomously in large numbers as part of a swarm, achieved with the help of an indoor localization system with ultra-wideband technology. The G1 humanoid robot, a significant advancement developed by Unitree Robotics. Standing at a height of 1.20 meters and weighing around 35 kilograms, this fully electric robot offers great flexibility in its movements. The G1 is equipped with 23 to 43 joint motors, providing it with an extra-large joint movement angle space, allowing it to exhibit flexibility beyond ordinary people. It's also equipped with force-controlled dexterous hands, enabling it to manipulate various objects. One of the most impressive features of the G1 is its ability to stand up on its own from a flat-on-the-floor position. It uses a unique method to stand up, forming a tripod with its head and feet, then using a limbo-like move to lean its knees forward, bringing up its head and torso. Priced at $16,000, the G1 robot is a remarkable example of how robotics technology, accelerated by AI, is upgrading and evolving every day. Despite its advanced capabilities, it's still a budget robot, and its walk cycle is somewhat primitive. However, it has excellent balance and can withstand a barrage of abuse, such as being kicked in the back or punched in the chest. Nanoscribe, a leading player in the world of 3D nano and microfabrication. This innovative company offers a range of products and services for various applications in fields like photonics, biomedical engineering, and life sciences. What sets Nanoscribe apart is their technology based on 2-photon polymerization. This allows for high-precision additive manufacturing. Their 3D printers and grayscale lithography systems are known for their superior quality and unrivaled speed. They offer solutions for a variety of applications, from 3D bioprinting for life sciences to nano-precision alignment 3D printing for photonics applications. Their product line includes the Quantum X series and the Photonic Professional GT2. These systems offer high-resolution manufacturing opportunities from live cell and biomaterials printing in research labs towards 2.5D rapid prototyping and industrial wafer-scale fabrication. Nanoscribe also provides a range of printing materials optimized for 2-photon polymerization and 2-photon grayscale lithography, including IP photoresins, IPX photoresins, GP silica, and BIO-INX photoresins. With over 4,000 active users of their systems located in over 30 countries, Nanoscribe is a pioneer and market leader in high-precision additive manufacturing. They regularly invest over 25% of their annual revenues in the future of microfabrication.